So now coming to your types of artery. Okay. In this case, first one is your elastic or conducting arteries. Okay. So these are the largest thick-walled artery. So elastic means from the word itself you can assume the structure of this type of elastic arteries, that is your largest among all and thick-walled artery. So these contain aorta and or major branches of the artery. So next one is your elastin in the tunics. So here in the tunics, whether it may be tunica externa, tunica media and tunica interna, this content there is a component that is elastin. So due to that, this type of elastic artery is remain flexible. Okay. So next, blood directly from the heart. Okay. So from heart through by means of artery, this blood, that is your oxygenated blood, flow from the heart to the different part of the body. Okay. Okay. Now, most important thing is that is your restrict high pressure. So this can contain, this can prevent high blood pressure also. Okay. So due to the this is the only artery which can resistant to the high blood pressure. Okay. So these are the large volume, okay, large lumen, but low resistance. The resistance is the low in case of this elastic or conducting arteries. Okay. Now that is your muscular or distributing artery. So where you will find that is your these are distal to elastic arteries. Okay. So what kind of function? They will deliver blood to different organs. Okay. In between the organs, they are penetrating, and in the organ system, in the particular organ, the oxygenated blood is provided by these muscular arteries. This can penetrate the muscles layer also, or muscle fiber also. In between muscles, you will get this type of arteries. So these have thick tunica media. So in this muscular arteries, you will get thick tunica media. So the middle layer is the thick. So what is the thick in this elastic? That is your elastin is there. Okay, and this is the thickest walled arteries in case of elastic arteries. So in case of muscular or distributing arteries, this is the distal to elastic. This is not as much elastic as compared to your elastic arteries. Okay, these are little bit of distal to elastic, but little bit of elasticity is there, still there in the muscular arteries. So the main function of muscular or distributing arteries is to deliver blood. Okay, delivery of blood to the different organs. Okay, so these are the middle layer, that is the tunica media, is the thick as compared to your tunica interna and tunica externa. So these can penetrate in between your smooth muscles. You will get muscular arteries or distributing arteries. So main functions is also it's like as your elastic arteries. These are function that is your vasoconstriction and vasodilation. Vasoconstriction means constriction of the blood vessels. Vasodilation means swelling of the blood vessels or increase in the volume of the blood vessels. So in order to increase the volume of blood, the arteries needs to be vasodilated. So in order to constrict or in order to the body part where or body organ or muscles where there is a less that needs less quantity of blood, in that case vasoconstriction will be there. So next one is your arterioles. What is that? These are the smallest arteries. The smallest arteries are called arteriole. Okay. Then bronchi to bronchiole is like a smallest artery is the arteriole. Okay. So lead to capillary beads. Okay, this leads to capillary beads. So what is the function of this? So control of flow. Okay, so by means of your arterioles, the flow is controlled. So this is also functions as your vasodilation as well as vasoconstriction. So the thickness is around, arteriole thickness is around 6 micrometer and diameter is around 37 micrometer. Arteriole. What is that arteriole? Arteriole, that is the smallest arteries. Okay. So first one we will compare. This is the thickest one, elastic artery, muscular artery, where we will get tunica media is the thick portion as compared to tunica externa and tunica interna, and arteriole where you will get your diameter. So diameter of this elastic artery is around 1.5 centimeter and thickness is around 1 mm. So in case of muscular artery, you will get a diameter of 6 mm and a thickness of 1 mm. So smallest one artery is the arteriole that contains the diameter of 37 micrometer. So here you will get in the centimeter and millimeter, but in case of arteriole you will get in the unit is in the micrometer. Is that clear? Okay. So next one is your capillaries. Okay. What are the capillaries? These are the small blood vessels. As arterioles are the smallest artery. So capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. So these are thin tunica intima. Okay. So these contain your one cell thick. The thickness of the capillaries are single cell. They are lining by a single cell membrane. Okay. So only one RBC wide. Okay. That means the thickness of this capillaries is only one RBC. So the this can be similar to your that thickness occupied by the RBC. The thickness of arteries is exactly similar to that. So pericytes, the types of capillaries which support and control permeability of the blood vessels. Okay.